So if you have logged into Liquid Exchange, this is my customized trading dashboard. Okay, so some people say the default one is actually, what's the color? The default color? Blue, right? You can change. How to change it? Because I don't like blue color, so what can I change? You can go under application. You see, you can set trading fee. You can get discounts if you use, okay, to pay for a 50% discount. So you see, you can select your theme, the blue theme, black theme, or light theme. So this is how you actually can set. All right. So there are different markets. There are exchange markets. There are margin trading. So if you want to buy spot, right, you just use exchange. If you want to buy, you want to long, you want to short, you can use margin. Okay. So for example, I want to set my own trading dashboard. I want to customize. You can actually, for example, I add new. Okay, this is the default interface. For some reason or another, I don't like the arrangement. Can I rearrange? Good news, you can rearrange so that you can be comfortable with whatever. Some people prefer, the trade feed on the right side. Some people prefer the trade feed on the left side. So I can move. Right? I can move, I can merge, I don't want this, I can take away. Right? I can expand it. Right? You see? Okay, so I can save this panel, I can add other panels. I want to save this setting, I want this arrangement. Every time I log into Liquid, I can save it. So I can save. So you can fill up give a name, Liquid. Okay, you can save. So you can have different kind of workspaces, customized workspaces. Imagine if your wife and yourself use the same account, but you have a preferred different workspace, so you can set different workspaces for yourself. All right, so I will elaborate on this over here. Okay, spot. Then next you can go to margin trading, for example, over here. So margin trading is a little bit different. You can see that the chart is a bit different here. Later I will elaborate on this. So for example, I want to set a trading stop, or want to buy a limit buy. It's a bit small here, but you can see. Under Liquid, you can use a margin trading, minimum is 2 times, or you can go up to 25 times. Okay, which means you can use a smaller capital if you're confident in a long direction to make higher gains using margin. Of course, it's a higher risk, so make sure you know what you're doing. But these are some of the very good advanced trading tools available on Liquid that I will use. All right, then I'll go on to the charts. Okay, charts. There are 2 types that you can use. One is the Tradingview one, which is on the white color one. I on here. It looks like this. Okay, another one is the Cryptowatch. Okay, this one I already set my preferred indicators. Okay, anyone knows about this? Most people don't know. You can view Liquid charts without logging into Liquid using an external source. You can go directly to Cryptowatch. So I'm going to show you that. So for example, if I have so much Bitcoin or my dollars inside on Liquid Exchange, okay, I can just go directly to Cryptowatch. You see, every asset here is on Liquid platform, on Coin platform. Okay, so like for example, if I go to BTC USD,